From the ramp is at your home rescue, cross runway 5, wind is estimated 100 at Niner.
And Roger has requested for everyone back. All right, you guys ready?
Yep. Ready, Papa?
All right. Yep, got the FAU campus here with the new football stadium. So this is Lighthouse Point up ahead, and you can see all the little matrix of canals through here. Everybody has the ocean access. All the canals link up with the intercoastal. Up ahead here we got the Hillsborough Inlet with the lighthouse. Top of the tower, 8 Quebec, thinking the 180.
Helicopter 8 Quebec, roger, contact Boca Tower 118.42.
1842 for Boca, 8 Quebec. This is Deerfield Beach here, Deerfield Pier. The Boca Resort here, the Boca Hotel, the tall pink building over there. You can see all the boats down here. Some of them, a couple of them tied up.
Yeah.
Water's not quite down. Maybe it's coming up on high tide. I guess it was low tide earlier. Got Meisner Park here ahead.
Have a good day when you come on.
And you can see up the center here, they're having like a car show or something.
Oh, yeah.
They have some old cars out here every Sunday. All right. You guys enjoy the ride?
Yeah.
You guys have fun?
Do it again.
You want to do it again? That's awesome.